Vice President Sara Duterte rejected allegations of habitual absence and excessive travels and branding them as politically motivated. She also slammed the House over her impeachment case, which was dismissed by the Senate, and she warned of possible OVP budget cuts next year. Hannah T. returns with this report.
The allegations of habitual absence doesn't seem to bother Vice President Sara Duterte. She dismissed the claim as another baseless attack.
Habitual absence saan? Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pinagsasabi nila na habitual absence. As I said, ito na naman yung style ng mga tao na anti-Duterte na nagbibigay lang ng akusasyon kung saan-saan at wala namang basihan, walang ebidensya.
The VP also hit back at those questioning her constant travels, saying these were not for leisure.
Nagta-travel ako, lumalabas ako ng bansa dahil frustrated na ang Filipino communities abroad sa nangyayari dito sa ating bayan. At pangalawa, bumibisita ako sa tatay ko na nakakulong.
Duterte's impeachment case was recently killed following the senator's archival of the complaint to adhere to the Supreme Court ruling, declaring it unconstitutional. When asked about alleged misuse of confidential funds, Duterte said she will only explain in the proper forum.
Pero hindi pwede na moro-moro na kung saan lang nagbibigay ng akusasyon at kung saan o kung kailan lang nila gusto mag-akusa.
Duterte pointed to the decision itself, saying it clearly laid out how the House abused its power. The ruling said the House violated the one-year bar rule and that the complaint lacked due process.
It's an abuse of authority. So makita ninyo dito, gilatag og tarong kung giunsa nila pag-abuso ang ilahang power dinha sa House of Representatives.
And as budget season approaches, Duterte said she expects the House to slash the OVP's budget proposal submitted by the Department of Budget and Management, noting that the political leadership remains the same.
Well, it will be the same as last year. Hindi naman nagbago ang administration eh. Yan pa rin ang Pangulo natin, yan pa rin ang Speaker of the House of Representatives natin. So wala na tayong ma-expect na ibibigay para sa Office of the Vice President.
The OVP has a proposed budget of 903 million pesos for 2026. Last year, the House slashed her office's 2 billion peso budget to around 733 million due to redundant functions and overlapping programs. Hannah Tia, Bilyonaryo News Channel.